Our page and
subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so the first product that I'll be using will be this L'Oreal True Match Concealer in shade Vanilla. I'm going to actually use it as a foundation, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply 2 strokes on my forehead, like this, 3 on my cheeks, and 1 on my chin, and a little bit on my nose. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend it out. Now keep in mind that this is just a sheer layer of concealer, so it's not going to give you a full coverage unless you use like a ton of concealer. So if you feel that you need a little bit more coverage on certain areas, go ahead and apply 1 more layer of concealer. I'm going to add just a little bit more on my chin as I have some acne scars there. Also on my cheeks, because usually my skin is a little bit more red there, and on any blemishes or spots. And then again, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything out. I'm also going to use this concealer to cover my under eye area, so I'm just applying some of it underneath my eyes and I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. The second product that I'll be using will be this Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in shade Transparent. I'm going to use it to set that concealer underneath my eyes so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to use a very sheer layer of this powder just to set my entire face. The brush I'm using is the Zoeva 106 and I'm just lightly dusting it all over. And I'm also going to use this concealer as a primer for the eye makeup. I often use concealer instead of an eyeshadow base. It does the job perfectly. So if you're a beginner or you're on a budget, try to use concealer as an eyeshadow base. Just make sure that you apply a very small amount of it on your eyelids, and you always want to set it with some nude eyeshadow or a powder so that it doesn't crease and you have a smooth base for the eyeshadow that you're going to apply on top of it. I'm using again that Rimmel Stay Matte Powder to set it. Okay, so now it's time for the third product that I'll be using. It's this small cute palette by Makeover Cosmetics. It includes a contouring shade, which is more of a bronzer, highlighter and a blush. If you follow me around for a while, you will know that I love this palette. I hit pan on the bronzing shade right here. I mean, I like it. It's small, it's compact, it's very affordable. So I'm going to start off with the bronzing / contouring shade, and I'm going to use it to fill in my brows. Now it may be a little bit warmer than what I would like, but that's okay. The brush I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12. Then with a flat brush and some of that L'Oreal concealer, I'm just going to clean them up. Okay, so now I'm going to do the eye makeup, and once I'm done with it, I'm going to go back and finish up the face. So I'm going to start off with the bronzing shade from that Makeup Revolution kit, and with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to apply it in the upper crease area. And since we're using just one shade today in the crease, I'm just going to really take my time and make sure that I blend it really good and there are no harsh lines. I'm also going to add some of it here in the very outer corner of my eye and blend it into the crease. I'm also going to add a couple more layers so that I build up the intensity.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi, next, I'm taking the palette and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid with the Sigma E58 brush. Then I'm going to take one more time the bronzing shade and I'm going to apply it in the very outer corner of my eye. I'm using the Sigma E20 brush. Taking that highlighter again, I'm going to use it to highlight the corners of my eyes and my brow bone. This is the Makeover edition. So now I'm going to do some winged eyeliner and apply some mascara. And I'm going to do this with one product, and it's going to be this Essence Maximum Volume Mascara. This thing is like $3 to $4. And it really does the job. Today I'll be